Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Beyonce's new fragrance, Say Noir. I swear I've been stalking my tracker information ever since they said they were starting to be shipped. Because I pre-ordered this back in, I think August. So I've been waiting a couple months, but I think pre-orders open in like July. So I know I'm not the only one waiting, but since I already have mine, let me go ahead and share my initial thoughts on it. Because we got her right here today in the mail. I already opened it up to film an unboxing for TikTok, but I didn't smell it, even though I kind of got a little bit of a whiff when I opened the box. But let's get the full impression right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box. I don't know why I put it back in the box like this, but when you open up the packaging, it has Say Noir in the packaging that it was shipped in, and then the actual fragrance is in the box that looks like this. Very reflective. It's definitely giving me Renaissance tour vibes. It's all sparkly. But it also came with a free gift here, which is, I think it's a sample size of the fragrance. Oh, you just spray it like this. Okay. And there's this QR code on the back. Not sure what the QR code is, but we'll check that out later. But let's go ahead and open the fragrance up. You just slide it out the box like this. And then this packaging has like this little reflective thing on it as well, and then you open it up and voila. All right, get it out. But this is what the fragrance bottle looks like. Someone on TikTok said it looked like one of her Renaissance tour outfits, and now I can't unsee it. But it has Say Noir on the front of it. Can y'all see that? It has Beyonce's name on there as well. But it has this perfume holder. You can take it out, which I think I actually like it better like this without the holder, because I'm not really a fan of perfume holders. And then you can kind of see through it right here. It's like a little window. See the actual fragrance. But let's go ahead and talk about the notes, and then we're going to smell it. I can already tell this rose note is going to be hitting, because when I open it up from the box, I smelled that rose note immediately. For the top notes has honey and clementine. For the middle notes has jasmine, sambac, and rose. And then for the base notes, you got myrrh and amber. Y'all, to be honest, these aren't notes that I typically gravitate toward, because y'all know I'm more of a gourmand girly. So I'm going to go into this not expecting to like it too much, but we're going to try it just because it's Beyonce. All right, so I got my test strip ready. And then, oh, probably there's so much liquid already coming out. Can y'all see that? That's probably why I could smell it. Interesting. All right, so let's go ahead and spray my test strip. Let's see it right there. Oh, okay. It smells different on paper than it did when I opened the box. But to me, the notes that are jumping out right now, definitely the rose. I'm getting the rose. It kind of smells a tad bit powdery too. But it's also sweet, which I know is because of the honey. And you can tell the clementine is there because it has a tad bit of a citrus vibe to it. But yeah, it's definitely floral. So if you're a floral girly, you're definitely gonna like this. Not getting much of the myrrh and amber right now, but it's probably because it's just on paper. And I might let it dry down a little bit. Okay. If I would have smelled this before buying it, I don't think I would have bought this. Because this is not my vibe. I'm not really a floral girly. But I don't necessarily hate this scent. And I think it's because of the clementine note. Because I really do like... I'm starting to like citrusy notes a lot more now. And I do like honey and fragrances too. So I think that's the saving grace for me, because if it was just like all these floral notes and then with those base notes, I probably wouldn't like it. But okay, it's nice. All right, let's actually test her out on the skin. Let's see what it smells like, because y'all know sometimes on paper it'll smell one way, and then on skin it'll smell even better, or sometimes it might smell worse. So let's go ahead and try it. Like totally missed my wrist. All right. Oh, that clementine note is coming through a lot more on skin. I can get that clementine and that honey. It smells better on skin. Okay. All right, I'm gonna say I like this on skin for sure. But still, if I would have smelled it before I bought it, I probably wouldn't buy it though, just because it's not my typical vibe. But since I have it now, and I don't think you can do returns, I will be wearing it because I do like it though. That clementine note in here is really beautiful. I like it. But you still can tell it has rose in it too. But the rose and the jasmine are a lot less strong on skin than it is on the paper, which I'm happy about because I didn't want it to be too floral. And it still does have like a little bit of powderiness to it too. Okay. I will say I like this. I don't hate it, and I was worried I was gonna hate it. So I was like, I'm gonna record a video and then I'm gonna be like, Beyonce, I hate your fragrance. But y'all know I'm gonna be honest with y'all if I don't like a fragrance, even though I love Beyonce. If I hated her fragrance, I would have told y'all. If you like floral notes, I definitely recommend you check it out. I think this fragrance retails for $160 on the website, and I think you can still pre-order. Is that thunder? But anywho, I'm gonna put the lid back on. In the projection, I don't think you'll have an issue with this because this fragrance will definitely stand out in the room because I only did one spray and I feel like I can really smell it. Why is it leaking so much? Like it's all on my hand now, okay? And always, y'all, I try to give y'all layering combinations that y'all can try out. And let's go ahead and do that. This fragrance honestly kind of reminds me of the Lena exclusive just because it has that strong rose note in here. So I think I want to try to combine those two together. So let's do Say Noir. Let's twist too. Let's do Say Noir and the Lena exclusive. I'll just put it right here. It's probably gonna smell extra powdery now because the Lena exclusive has this very powdery vibe to it too on my skin. Oh, I did my thing with this combination. This smells good. That clementine note is hitting, y'all. I swear that smells so good. I like that. I like that. That's a good combination. Okay, and let's try one more combination, y'all. I think I want to do Say Noir with, I think I'm going to do Mont Blanc Signature because Mont Blanc Signature has like this orange creamy vibe to it too. And I think it'll go really well with that clementine note that's in Say Noir. So, one more spray of Say Noir. And then, oh, Mont Blanc is right next to it, right where I need it to be. But it's like an orange creamy vanilla scent if you haven't tried it already. Okay. Yes, this smells so good. I think I like this one a little bit better just because, I don't know, the vanilla just stands out a little bit more. But you get that orange, creamy, clementine vibe. Okay. So overall, I think this was a successful purchase. I'm glad I bought it because now the mystery has been solved. But anywho, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if you did, please be sure to hit that like button and check out my reviews playlist because I leave all my fragrance reviews there. And I know y'all want to smell good, so check out them videos and stay tuned for what I have coming up next. All right, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.